All right, to watch this video for Thursday, September 7th, couple reminders. We have our happy hour. We're going to do another happy hour tomorrow, right at the closing bell. Look for links on social media. I don't think there's one in my email if you're on my email list, but if you follow me on Twitter, StockTwits, I'll put out the link there for happy hour. Would love to have you join us. Giving away one free month in the chat room. And speaking of a free month in the chat room, the course, our last live course of 2017 is next Saturday, well, like a week from Saturday, so the 16th, in 10 days. It's the last live course for 2017. It's 11, maybe 12 hours long. It's an intense day. It's recorded. You can watch it as many times as you want, even if you can't make it. I highly recommend grabbing that and the lifetime membership to our site, which is less than a 1-year membership right now, and lifetime goes away once the course gets here. So the sale for the course and lifetime membership, both, you've got a little over a week to grab that, and together they're a very, very good combination with the best teamwork in the world in our chat room, and people in our room that have taken the course constantly posting one of the 6 or 7 setups that we teach when they see it. So anyway, I think you'll love the teamwork, and I know you'll love the course. All right, the SPY. A narrow range today and, pretty low volume. Remember, we're in a holiday week, so keep that in mind. The watch list I have for tomorrow, I'm just going to breeze right into it here. IMGN, really nice volume about a week ago, breaking out above recent highs. Clean lower volume pullback right into that buy zone between the red and blue lines. That's the 8-day and the 20-day. When you get down there on a lower volume pullback, that's where I start to look for a turn back up. LINU, cheapy, that is just working its way lower on declining volume after a nice run from 1 to almost 250. That one goes on bounce watch for tomorrow. PYDS, huge move, and now back down close to that buy zone, so I want to watch that one for a possible turn back up. AUPH is a handsome chart here. You had a spike here, lower high, lower high, lower high, and lower high. But, nice support here at the $6 area that it broke out of. Clean pullback and right back up to these recent highs. So it was 4 sessions ago. It hit 661, and today 660. So it really looks good over that area. We're going to keep our eyes on AUPH. MBRX, high, lower high, lower high. Nice consolidation here, and a little bit of extra volume today, trying to break out of this range. So that one's kind of a sleeper pick, but we're going to watch it. CATB, a little extra volume there on this one today, breaking out of kind of a tight range. So we'll see if we can get some follow through in that one tomorrow. PULM had this big pop, then gap up today and sold off. I don't love this, and if it round trips and completely takes out this candle's low, it's not interesting to me at all. But if it can hold this area and turn back up tomorrow, there might be a trade in it. So we're going to watch it. IDXG, just put in an inside day. No trades in it today. Remember, we put these things on watch, and then we wait to see if they give any kind of low-risk setup. So you had a nice pop. You had the breakout that we've been looking for, which I called through $1.50 yesterday. And then today we had a much lower volume, quiet inside day. So we're going to watch that again. No trades in it. We're going to watch it again tomorrow. MSDI. I like this pop, and then it kind of came back down on lower volume, got a secondary pop, and today a quiet inside day. So certainly interesting, over 90 cents. We're going to watch that one. ZAIS. This thing was crazy today, but it did gap up. It did hold above the open, but well off its high. So the volume might catch some attention, and people doing overnight scans. I'm not in love with this one. It's Tricky Trader, but we're going to watch it tomorrow. And then lastly, I have a kind of another sleeper pick, is this SHIP, S-H-I-P. You had a high here, a lower high. It's kind of flagging sideways. Had decent volume today for this stock. And one of its, what you call maybe its sister stock, ESEA, kind of broke out of a range today. Again, these are lower volume stocks, but if ESEA continues, they might start looking to the other low float, low price shippers, and SHIP is kind of interesting here in this tight range. So it looks good over yesterday's high, over 117. It might then come and break through this 125. So I like it. That's kind of my thinking on that one. Also, keep your eyes on RH. Man, this one is hard for me to talk about because I don't want to break down and cry, but it had earnings after the bell, and I saw the ask at 51 after I heard the earnings and tried desperately to grab some 51, and it got away from me. I wasn't quick enough. And anyway, it went all the way to over $70 in after hours. And right now, as I'm babbling, it's trading at $67.25. So it's trading all the way, let's see, 60, right about here. So I'm going to keep that one on my radar tomorrow too. But man, that would have been my trade of the month if I could have grabbed the 51 shares in after hours. I don't trade in after hours that often, but that was a really nice setup and a lot of shorts in this name. So anyway, we'll be watching that one tomorrow as well. All right, have a great night. See everybody tomorrow.